This morning, Tesla CEO Elon Musk just hours ago made a couple of very important tweets and replies to other tweets, and in one of them, Tesla's Elon Musk said full self-driving 10 FSD 10 will blow minds, and he also detailed expanding test groups. I also asked him a question, but before I get to that, welcome back, dear friends. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. Tesla CEO Elon Musk gave new updates on Tesla's upcoming full self-driving version 10 rollout that is expected to come out on Friday, and how the automaker plans to expand its test group for full self-driving beta. The beta program was launched in late 2020 and gave a small number of Tesla drivers the opportunity to experience Tesla's most robust full self-driving software yet. Since then, Tesla has expanded the test group to produce more data as the semi-autonomous driving software has improved through software updates. On September 1st, a couple of days ago, Elon Musk said that FSD Beta 10 would come out Friday, September 10th. Beta 10 coming on September 10th, with a public request button coming 2 weeks later. The button would allow drivers who utilize Tesla's full self-driving suite to opt into the beta program. Musk finally shed some light on how good the new beta version will be for drivers after stating that the FSD 9.2 was not great. Musk stated that FSD 10 will blow your mind. That was a quote from Tesla's Elon Musk, who wrote this morning at 10 o'clock a.m. saying, "The build I'm driving right now is almost there. Full self-driving 10 will blow your mind." End of the quote. Tesla has made so many improvements over the course of the last 9 months in its full self-driving quest, increasing the accuracy of the suite's performance and adding new driving behaviors to the capability with each release, friends, notes Joey Klender from Tesla Radi. Joey says drivers have been honest and forthcoming regarding the improvements that Tesla could make with full self-driving software. The automaker, which makes the leading electric cars in the world, has listened, attempting to improve as quickly as it can so it can reach level 5 autonomy where vehicles would drive themselves. Now, when Elon Musk tweeted saying the build I'm driving right now is almost there, FSD 10 will blow your mind, I tweeted a question, and my question was, when somebody says the FSD will blow your mind and it's almost there, the goal is level 5, right? So almost there, is it level 5? Keep in mind that Tesla FSD is officially level 2. We're not even level 3. Level 4 is when nothing is required from the driver, but the steering wheel is still there. Level 5 will not have steering wheel and no engagement necessary from people. So I asked Elon Musk in a tweet reply saying, what is almost there mean? What does almost there mean? Is it close to level 4 or level 5? No, unofficially Tesla full self-driving is at least level 3, but that's unofficially. But I haven't heard anything from Elon Musk, so a lot of people have liked my question, so maybe he will answer at some point, but I would really like to him address that if possible. Elon, if you're listening to this report, I would greatly appreciate it if you would respond saying what almost there means. Now, in addition to Elon Musk's review of the full self-driving 10 software that is expected to roll out tomorrow, the CEO also said that the company would gradually expand the full self-driving testing group to ensure maximum safety. Tesla has made safety the priority in its automotive expertise, making its vehicles as safe as possible, and the full self-driving FSD test group has remained relatively exclusive since its beginnings. Tesla may be ready to make the beta program more well-rounded as more data will enter the company's neural network, which stores data from real-world miles to increase the accuracy of the suite. Hallmark's Catalog tweeted yesterday Monday saying, could you give more details on how Tesla will expand FSD Beta after assembling a list of requests from opt-in public beta button? Will it be limited to Model X new users per day, limited by region or the country? Will most get it, or will it start slowly? People are dying to know. Elon Musk responded this morning at 9:59 a.m. saying expansion will be gradual based on ensuring maximum safety. That was the end of the quote and his response. So I understand that Tesla is very much concerned about safety, and which is the right thing to do, and I support that. Expansion will be gradual based on ensuring maximum safety. So what is the criteria according to which Tesla is going to ensure maximum safety? I think Tesla will look at the record of people driving and their driving behaviors, autopilot engagement, and so on. So we'll see how it goes. If you guys have been added to the beta expansion, please let us know in the comment section below. I would like to hear from you, your experience, or if you are in the beta and are looking forward to tomorrow's beta 10 release, which is supposed to blow our mind and almost there. Let us know please what almost there means. So the button, as it was commonly referred to in recent times by Tesla enthusiasts, I mean the public request button, has been in the works for several months. Sadly, things have been delayed and Tesla was likely waiting for things to become more robust within the suite before expanding the test group. Now that Elon Musk estimates full self-driving 10 will blow your mind, that is a quote. The company must feel it is time to bring the button to vehicles. Otherwise, Musk wouldn't say probably it will blow your mind. So friends, what do you think about Tesla FSD 10? What are your expectations from FSD 10? What do you think should mean almost there? Do you expect Tesla to be almost there at level 4, at level 5, or at least at level 3, closing in to be officially recognized level 3? Now, while other cars are getting more non-FSD, if I would put it that way, Tesla cars are literally improving with every over-the-air update. When I said not FSD, other cars, I mean while other cars depreciate and lose their value with time, Tesla vehicles seem to be improving with every over-the-air update, OTA updates. It's one reason why they have one of the highest resale value. The pace of improvements for full self-driving is really fast. That's why Windows is the best operating system. Some people say it's upgrading non-stop, and it can't even do automatic reboot when it hangs though, like the computer in Apollo program did. Now, it sounds like dropping radar has exceeded expectations, and can't wait to see the YouTube videos this weekend. Please, if you are here first time, subscribe to our channel, because tomorrow, once the first FSD 10 videos appear online, I'm going to report them and I'm going to share some of them with you guys, and it's gonna be interesting, and then in this way you will have first hand experience how they are going to be. In the meantime, this is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and to see tomorrow's FSD 10 videos, and subscribe to our channel. Give us thumbs up please for this video if you found it interesting, and let me know in the comment section please below, when Elon Musk said it's almost there, almost where? Level 4 autonomy, level 5 autonomy, or level 3? Keep in mind, Tesla is officially level 2. Have a great day. I'll look forward to your comments. Be kind to one another, and I'll see you soon in our next report. Peace be with all of you.